What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angele Altieri if this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today I'm very glam and I'm in love with this look. I'm so in love. I wish I had somewhere to go, and I wish I could go somewhere, but instead I'll just be taking pictures maybe filming a TikTok. But today I did this very full glittery glam look with the Tati Beauty textured neutrals. This is amazing, an amazing palette. Technically this look is a recreation of my prom look, or what I would have wanted for my prom look. And I always say, don't mind, this is lipstick, I'm okay. I always say if I was able to do makeup the way I can now, I would have done my own makeup for prom instead of getting it done by someone else, because looking back, it wasn't what I wanted. This is what I would have wanted. But yeah, I know proms are canceled, graduations are canceled. I'm also a senior. I feel it. I feel the pain. I get it. But I still feel like, you know, we can sit, play with makeup, put on our dresses, I'm not putting on my dress because I'm a college senior, but if you have your dresses, put them on, put on the makeup, do the hair, and take pictures, have fun with your friends. Either way, even if this isn't necessarily a prom look, this could just be a glam look in general. So if you're interested in how I got it and the other products I used, and you know the deal, you know the drill, and you know the vibes, let's get it. Okay, so start off this look, going in with this Benefit the Porefessional Hydrating Primer, and I'm hoping it actually fills in the pores because that's what I want. Interesting texture. Ooh, they're kind of filled, but I want more pore filling. I want to be as smooth as humanly possible. So I'm going in with the, I already know, E.l.f. Poreless primer, mostly here, my cheeks. As I let my pores be filled, get filled, whatever, I want to point out the glow going on up here. I'm wearing the Laura Geller Illuminating body mist. You can use whatever body mist, create your own, and I used a Sigma small dual fiber brush to just buff it in. Alright, I'm going in with this because this is bomb.com, the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour freshwear. It's drugstore but super full coverage, which is the goal. Alright, for concealer, I'm going to mix two of my favorites. I think my all-time favorite is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Self-Setting Concealer. This is the shade 34. This is matte but not super drying. But to give a little bit more hydration, I'm adding in the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer in the shade Medium 90W, just to help make it not so dry. And they both have very great coverage. I'm gonna let those melt in a little bit, and I'm actually going to cream contour with the Fenty Matchstix in Mocha, because like I said, we're going in, guys. I'm using the Tati Beauty Blendiful, and I'm just putting that onto the Blendiful, stamping it. With this, you could feel your cheekbone, so I'm stamping it against my cheekbone, like right under it. Alrighty, I'm going to use a sponge. This is the E.l.f. sponge. Blend out my concealer. leaving the concealer on the face to sit a little bit just helps the coverage and the pigment to stick on to your face and to the foundation. Setting powders for going out, especially going out at night and like a big event type of thing. You want to be careful. You have to be so careful. You do not want to flash back. You do not want to whiten your face. In fact, you might want to look like half a shade or one shade darker than you normally would, like in natural lighting, just so when you photograph it doesn't look super light on your face. I'm going in with this powder, Clearly. It's my go-to. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. I'm going to make sure my creases are blended out. The thing about this powder is that it is so lightweight that you can keep adding powder, and it doesn't look cakey. I'm going in with the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Palette. Bomb. It's bomb. That's it. It's bomb. This is the Beige Cosmetics brush, number 3 from the Lavish Elegance. Going in with this one and this one. Right, yeah. This one and this one. The 2 middle shades to bronze. Really important thing too is that if you were going to like a nice event and you wanted to look on point 100%, like unclockable, practice. You know what I mean? I didn't practice this look, but you know, I'm confident in my skills that whatever I get will be nice. You know what I mean? Even though right now I have a little bit too much bronzer, but that's okay. Because you can always blend. But definitely if I were actually going to prom or graduation, which I'm also doing a graduation look video because, I mean, I have an online ceremony, so I will also be doing that. But if I were to still have my graduation ceremony and I was getting all dressed up, I would definitely practice the look I wanted and not just wait till the morning of and, you know, wing it. Because a lot can go wrong. Like maybe, like right now I'm thinking maybe this brush is a little too dense for the pigmented bronzers, or I just need to clean the brush, or it's just like my foundation, maybe I didn't set it. You know what I mean? You definitely want to do some trial runs, at least one a few days before, and if it turns out well, you put those products to the side. You're like, cool, this is it, this is my journey, and it's ready for next time. You know what I mean? Better safe than sorry. You don't want to just look crazy and then have no time to really fix it. Is anyone else listening to the Drake album? Anyone else? Anyone else? If you're not, what are you doing? This. You see, this is why you practice, because then I'm running into snafus all of a sudden. Oh, I don't know. For this look, since it'll be so glam on the eyes and red lip, I want to do something neutral where I look flushed or I look blushy, but it's not necessarily pulling very warm, very cool. So I'm going in with Colourpop x Kathleenlights and Lunar Has It. My blush brush. My blush brush is a Sephora collection 55 or 55.5. This was a pre-gift, so it's a mini size. Cuidado. I smile and I stamp. I lightly stamp and bring it to the temples. And I usually put blush on the bridge of my nose, but for this very glam look, not. I don't even know if they sell this anymore, but I wanted to try this out or use it because I don't use it, and it's like on its last chance in my collection. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Fiji Loose highlighter. Very, how do I explain the color? Let's give it a swatch. It's like a champagne. It's beautiful. Why don't I use it? It's a little bit pinky as well, which will complement the eyes. So let's go into this. I'm just going into the cap. Like you can see there's product in there, but it's not a clump like it is in front of me, like in the component. So I'm going into that. This highlighter is very smooth. Oh, guess she's staying. With this look, I don't necessarily want to add more dew because, you know, if you're actually going out to a party or an event and you sweat, you're gonna look crazy. So I would just suggest just a setting spray, nothing that will add a glow, nothing illuminating, because you can pack on highlight as long as it's a good highlight. And this will just, like a good setting spray will just help melt the skin, make everything blend into each other, but you won't start getting very dewy, very glowy throughout the night, which may not be a good look. Okay, we all want to glow, but we don't want to look like a grease ball. Okay.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself.
Mascara and these lashes. Ooh, I'm obsessed. Now for lips, I did a red lip for school, so I'm also gonna do red lip for this. So I'm going in with this lip kit. You can't get this anymore, but you know, whatever red lip combo you like. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Red Velvet Lip Liner and Velvet Lipstick. So I'm gonna put that on. It's already dried. Getting flashbacks to prom. Okay guys, that's the end of this look. Super full glam. You know, if you have a dress, then why not just you and your girls, or you know, make your own prom with your group of friends when this is over. 10 people, of course. I don't know the numbers when this is all over, but even in the summertime when things starts to really slow down, get your dress on and your friends at someone's house, someone's basement, or whatever you can do, and go for it. Take pictures. I mean, isn't that what prom is all about? To me, it's just about the pictures, to be honest. Getting dressed up and taking pictures. That was the most important part about prom. Again, I'm so sorry. I know my graduation's canceled too, but I'll still be sitting here putting on my makeup, putting on the dresses I bought, taking my pictures, and going on my laptop for my virtual ceremony. That is what I'll be doing. But alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the look, even if you use it for any other event and occasion, you know, when we get to go outside. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like me, hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Wednesday and Saturday. If you like me, if you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter, like all my social media down below, like my Macari down below if you're interested in any of the makeup I'm selling. Thank you so much for watching. Keep your head up, stay safe, stay home. We're almost through this, okay? Almost there. But okay, bye.